Hi, this is Ian. Just want to show you this lawnmower. I've just dragged it out of the back of the workshop. It's been in there for over a year now. We can probably tell actually with the layers of dust. That's if I'm not in the way with the shadows. Yeah, there's quite a lot of dust on this that's gathered, and it's got an 135cc Honda engine on it. I seem to think that when this came in, it had a failed Briggs & Stratton 450 series engine on it. This was brought in and put on as a replacement, and it's just there ever since. So, like everything else in the workshop that's cluttering the place up, it's got to go. This power drive, self-propelled. This lever, that's your safety brake lever. The pull start on the pigtail, which is obviously upside down. That needs sorting out. One lever for the rear height adjustment, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustment height positions there, and same on the front. Wheel trims look quite smart actually. The deck itself, it's steel construction. There's a few little marks on the side that suggest that it has been used, or unless that's where it's been knocked about in the workshop. Not entirely sure about that, but nothing serious at all. There's no rust on it whatsoever. Comes complete with its grass box. Extremely clean actually, very clean. Just have a look underneath it. Yeah, that doesn't show any signs of being used whatsoever. You see that it's a replacement engine, but the blade looks absolutely as new. I suggest looking at that it's probably around about an 18-inch cut. Not quite sure. Anyway, let's see if it fires up. Probably with fresh fuel in it, but as yet not tried it. It's fuel tap. When it's in the vertical position, that's off. Turn it into the line of flow, and that's on. This is always the fun part, trying to start an engine whilst holding a phone or a camera. Let's give it a go, see how we get on. Okay, there you go. Doesn't sound too bad actually. Quite impressive. See if the rear wheels turn. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Operational. There we have it. So I'm not quite sure on the deck, but I think it looks something like a Champion deck. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these might have been made by Champion at one time of day. By Mountfield, sorry. Not 100% certain, but it's quite well constructed actually. Very well made. Quite impressed. Yeah, there's the adjuster for the self-propelled. As I say, it's too clean to have been used. Everything is so clean. What we'll do, we'll give this machine a service and obviously clean it all up. I shall put it on eBay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me any comments. Cheers for now, bye.